Hey guys, it's Kim and I am at the pool and I am here to do a review of the Grovia swim diapers. Okay, so this is the Grovia swim diaper and this is in the size 2. They have snaps on the side, which I really like. This shows the 2 different sizing options. It says that the weight range is 16 to 33 pounds. My daughter is 20 pounds and there's definitely room to grow. The elastics are super stretchy but snug, so I never have any worries about anything leaking out, but they also don't give her red marks, which I really appreciate. The side panels here are super stretchy, which is great. I love that it has the side snaps, so it makes it really awesome once you have to take off the diaper, or if there's a dirty diaper, it's much easier than having to pull it up or down. Let me open it up and show you what it looks like on the inside. So the inside is lined with this terry cotton material, so it's nice and soft on the bottom. I know a lot of swim diapers have a mesh, which I think is fine too. I do prefer to have something versus just using a plain PUL or TPU cover, because I feel like that would be really uncomfortable and stick to their butts. I do like when there is some sort of lining. It does also hold on to smell a little bit, so if they pee and then you just let it line dry, you're going to want to wash it because it does hold on to some of the smell because of the cotton lining here. So every time we use this, I do have to wash it. That's why we do have a couple of them. You can see the tag here, size 2 is 16 to 33 pounds. It's 88% polyester, 12% cotton, 100% waterproof TPU. Well, I guess this is maybe why it holds on to smell more, because it's polyester and cotton. But check out these side panels. I really like how stretchy they are. They're similar to their all-in-ones, and I really just like how they go on, and they're very trim. I've had a couple other brands where I feel like you can't really put a bathing suit on top of, you just have to use the diaper itself because it sticks out so much. This I can actually have my daughter's bathing suit on top of because it's rather trim. So let me show you guys some clips of what it actually looks like on my daughter.